Oh man, it's so boring. There's nothing to do. Well, I guess I'll probably play some Smash Bros. Wait a minute. I'm going to see if there's anyone at the front door. Orange is supposed to come back today. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, yes, this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We finally got it. Anyway. Okay. Now I wonder if someone's at the door. Alright. Let's just relax and watch the show.
Okay, the door must be locked. Gotta ring the doorbell.
Oh, Orange is at the door.
Hey, Orange. Hey. Man, this doorbell camera is amazing. Hey. What are you doing? Yeah. Alright.
Oh, so on your phone is where you're viewing it? Yep. Hold on. Okay, let me see. It looks pretty good. Oh, hey, guess what? I invited Morty over. We can see it whenever he comes. Amazing. Well, let's just wait.
I can't wait to see them.
Hey, Morty, you should be able to come in.
What the? Oh yeah, you got your new doorbell camera. I forgot. Okay, well, since then I'm coming in.